Hi, I'm Dan and I'm a car guy, and if you're like me, you're probably looking for more car guys to watch car content on YouTube, especially at the moment where you can't really go out, can't really go to car meets, and can't really engage in conversation with like-minded car enthusiasts. That's pretty much why I started the channel. I wanted to meet more like-minded people, see more cool cars, and get into conversations with like-minded enthusiasts. And that's what I've been doing in the comments in this particular channel. I've met a lot of cool people through the channel, seen a lot of cool cars, and I plan on doing all that plus more in the future. So if you're anything like me, consider subscribing to the channel, maybe check out over 150 videos that I've made and engage with me in the comments and let me know what you think. And maybe I'll see you in the comments soon, and if I do, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.